How to back up all data on Android before factory resets. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Now scroll down at bottom of the screen and you need to search for Google. Tap on Google near the bottom of the settings list. In this Google Services section, simply you need to tap on All Services next to Recommended. Now scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you need to select the Backup option under Backup and Restore section. You simply need to tap Backup to get access to this backup page. So if it is already enabled, it will show the last backup time like it does on my device. If you want to do a manual backup, you can simply tap on Backup Now button. And then you will see that the backup includes your apps, photos and videos, SMS, call history, device settings, and other data like calendar, contacts, Drive, and Gmail. You can also choose to enable mobile data for the backup if you are not connected to Wi Fi. And that's it. You have now backed up all your important data to your Google account, which can be used to on a new phone or just kept as backup. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.